But over time, the moon moves away, the waves calm down, and the planet spins slower. "700 million years after the planet's birth, life-giving water covers its surface. And scattered throughout are tiny islands. They seem to have appeared from nowhere. So how did they get here? Molten rock bursts through the Earth's crust and rises up through the ocean. Over time, the lava cools, forming a volcanic island. In the future, these islands will join together to form the first continents. Earth now has water and land. It's beginning to look like the planet we call home. But the atmosphere is still toxic, and the temperature is scorching. Life here is impossible. Since the planet's formation, meteors have been pummeling Earth.